And he is like crazy. Look at the...
Good morning, Philippines!
Morning, guys. Snowy, snowy day. Look at them. So it's snowy.
We're going to teach you to do that with your feet.
Look what happened now. Roxy, did you see your paw? You see your paw? There's a lot of snow.
I don't have to feel. I can feel it. Feel cold.
You're cold outside, but I see you're playing. I see the two of you playing. Ang kapal ng snow, guys. Tingnan nyo. Dami madamo. Hindi pa tapos yung snowstorm. Until bukas pa ito. Hello guys, good afternoon. Katatapos ko lang naligo and goodness, ang snow sa labas, grabe yung snow. And then si Tammy lumabas na para mag ano siya. Afternoon na guys, late na ako nakapag-vlog. Magbihis ako kasi tulungan ko si Tammy. Ang ginaw-ginaw. So punta tayo sa baba and yun, nag-discuss lang kami ni Tammy, hindi ko mapigilang umiyak. Nag-discuss kami sa sa Wednesday kung ano, kasi hindi ko alam yung kung paano dito mag-living ba. So in-explain niya sa akin, hindi ko mapigiling maiyak. Parang very sadden yung nangyayari kasi. Pero alam naman namin na matanda na si Tianan, pero hindi ma-accept. So punta kami sa labas guys, mag-shovel lang kami kasi ang kapal na ng snow. Grabe, sobrang kapal na. Masakit yung puson ko, guys. Uish. Ito, guys, gustong lumalabas palagi sa snow. No. Cannot go outies. Cannot go outies.
You're looking at this one.
Papunta daw yung lalaki dito mamaya-maya. Ang mahal, kaluka naman. Guys, hindi na ako makapag ano guys. Kasi kapag ko yung lalaki pa yung tinawagan pa ni Tammy yung mag linis, ang mahal. So i-try namin shovel dalawa. Gloves. Kasi gusto niya paggamit niya yung sa kanya. Sabi ko, ikaw yung gagamit yan. Kailangan kasi din niya yun. Gusto niyang ibigay sa akin. At saka, ang ginaw. So, kaya yung lips ko nag-crack. So, lagyan natin ng chopstick. And then, pasensya na guys ha. Yung vlog ko, wala talaga kaming andito lang kasi sa bahay. And then, winter. Nag-snow pa. So, yun. And then, hindi din ni Tammy ma-open yung garage. For some reason, nagka-problema sa garage. Sa garage, andun yung mga gamit kasi. Kasi puro internet itong nasa bahay. Mga garage, mga kunik-kunik dito, kunik doon. Ang ang sobrang hirap pa naman sa mag-shovel guys kasi nakakapagod. Katulad ngayon, ganito. And then mamaya, maglilinis-linis ka, linis-linis sa labas. Ang mangyayari kasi, panington ka ba? Pagpawisan ka ng maraming singot. Yan. Ito lang si Roxy. Gustong-gusto. No, you stay here and you are not going out with me. Hindi naman ako magluluto. Hindi ako magluluto ng pagkain namin dinner. Kasi meron naman ako mga niluluto kahapon. So, lang. Hindi kaya yung snow, guys. Hindi kaya. It's really, really heavy. Yung snow. So, hintayin na lang namin yung lalaki. Quiet. Oh, yung kapitbahay namin. Yung Christmas light namin, on pa rin siya, guys. I think patayin ko to siya mamaya. Wala, hindi dumating yung ano, guys. Yung tinawagan ni Tao.
He doesn't show, I don't care. I'll work out another solution. It's not really a big deal. I can get in and out of the driveway with my vehicle. So I don't care. I can snow 6 more inches and I'll still get in and out of the driveway. It's not an issue.
Makalabas daw siya, guys. Kasi mataas kasi yung sasakyan niya kaysa akin. So makalabas siya, ako hindi. Plano niya, bumili na naman ng snow blower. Meron kaming snow blower pero andun sa New Rochelle kasi. And gamitin niya yun doon. Pero kaluka talaga. I think, let's see kung yung mga kapitbahay wala yung Christmas tree. May naglagay kasi ng Christmas lights doon and so tignan ko kung hindi mag-on yung Christmas lights nila, that means I'm going to shut mine off. Takot kasi ako, guys, sa mga electric, lalo't na sa labas ang kapal ng snow, ang bigat, basa na sila, ganon. Takot ako. So yun, nag-ano din ako dito ng mga videos, guys. Nag-transfer kasi tinatry ko talagang mag-upload everyday. Kaya ako ganon. Ang sakit nandito ko, iwan ko, guys. Sa exercise ata ko ito. Nag-start kasi akong exercise para sa dito na area. So balik tayo exercise and sumakit yung yung kamay o yung shoulder ko. Kapitbahay namin. Kaloka ang ginaw. Yan. Ang ganda ng Christmas lights. Yan. Ang puti-puti. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Ang ganda, ang puti. May lights pa. Yay, hindi talaga siya namamatay, guys. On talaga siya, guys. Kaloka. Ang ginaw, guys, grabe. Ang ginaw. Doon yung sinabi ko, may lights yung bahay doon. So, on naman yung light nila. So, I think okay lang. Okay lang tong sa akin. Yan. Ang ginaw. Pasok tayo. Hindi itong dalawa. Hintay-hintay pa rin. I open the blinds dito, guys. Tingnan mo, ang ganda. Diba? Kitams. Ang puti-puti ng paligid. Grabe. Huy! Okay, put it. She's hiding, guys. She's gonna scare me. She's gonna scare me. It's so windy, guys. And he is like crazy. Look at the... Hey, careful! No! Oh my God! You're looking for trouble. He's looking for problem, guys. He's gonna hit his head. God forbid. No! Nag-enjoy siya sa snow, guys. Grabe yung hangin at saka yung snow hindi pa nag-stop. Ng oras? 7:30 na ng gabi. Hello, where is Roxy? She can't find Roxy. Oh, she's over there pooping. She's over there pooping. She's over there. He can't see Roxy. Grabe yung hangin, guys. Grabe talaga. Kanina pa to, guys, yung hangin. Ang lakas ng hangin. Naririnig ko yung bahay, umuungol na. Giniginaw na si Misty, guys, oh. Giniginaw na sila. Oh my God, tignan nyo yun, guys, yung hangin. Oh my God. Uy, G, yung hangin. Oh, ang ginaw niyan. Oh. God. Go inside na, please. Grabe naman ito, eh. Yung hangin. Roxy. Tingnan niyo si Roxy. No, go that way. Hello guys, good evening na. Matulog na kami. Yeah. We're going to bed. Hold on guys, i-close ko lang itong sliding door. I can feel the cold in here, Han. In our sliding door. It's ice. We cannot open our sliding door. The outside is frozen.
Well, a little bit more than we programmed.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yung vlog namin is dito lang kami.
Hi guys.
Good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Let's see what's going on. No, we don't even. Our driveway is not clean.
No, but I still have to leave in the morning, so.
I'll go with you. You know that.
If
Well,
you make a mistake, if anything goes wrong, we got a problem.
well, you have to
I don't
drive
need-
careful.
I don't
That's
need any
all.
more problems. I drive careful. That's what it is.